Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI schools. Our lesson today, understand division of fractions. And our mission or our objective today is use models to divide with fractions. And let us start with the solve and share. Suppose it takes a 2/3 foot length of leather strap to make one watch band. How many watch bands can be made from 4 foot or foot length of leather strap? My dear students, we learned before how to divide whole by fraction. Yes, divide whole by fractions. Tell me how many of these fractions, okay, in this whole, okay? And we learned that the division must convert to multiply, okay, and we find the reciprocal of 2/3. Yes, okay, now we have 4, we keep it, multiply 3/2, and the 4 it is whole, and any whole in the world it is over 1, and now we multiply 1 by up by up and down by down, which is equal 12/2, which equals 6. So the answer will be 6. What the 6 means? Here, the answer here is 6. 6 means, or the answer means, there are a 6 2/3 in a 4 whole. Let us prove that by use the model, by use the number line. So when we divide a whole by 2 or fractions, okay, we have to use the number line model. Remember that again. Whole by fraction. Teacher, that means sometimes we will divide the fraction by the whole? Yes. Okay, but in another model. So whole by fraction, we will use the number line. Okay. Let me write the division equation. It is 4 divided by 2/3. Okay, and we know that it is equal 6. 4 divided by 2/3. Now what is the relation between this division equation and the number line? See, the 4, it is the length of the number line, so the dividend is the length of the number line. See, it is 4. Okay, teacher, what is about the divisor? And what's about the quotient? The answer that we got before, I will show you. Now, what we learned first, that the dividend, it is the length of the number line. See? What is the length of the number line? It's 4. Okay, now. now I have 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. You have to know that from 0 to 1, it is one whole. And from 1 to 2, it is one whole. And from 2 to 3, it is one whole. And 3 to 4, it is one whole. And from 0 to 1, we have to divide it regarding to the number down here. We have to divide it into 3 parts, okay, between the 0 and 1. Okay, so divide it. 1, 2, and 3. And each whole we divide it regarding to the number down. Okay, 1, 2, so we have to divide 1, 2, and 3. Here also 1, 2, and 3. And here 1, 2, and 3. Why we divide each one whole into 3 parts? Because the denominator here, or the number down here, it is a 3. If it is 4, I divide it into 4? Yes. Okay, good. Now, what next? See the number up. It is 2. That's mean the number up, it is the number of jump. Okay, the number of jump. How I jump? From 0, I count 2. See, from 0, I jump by 2. This is the first jump. Good. The second jump, this is 2. 2. 2. 2. Each time I jump by 2. Now what you have to do, now do like this. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. And this is 6. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 shapes, yes, like this, or 6 circles, or 6 whatever, 6 hole, what you want. So this is the answer. So the number of these, it is the answer of division. Okay, my dear student. Okay. Now, what if divide fraction by a whole number? Let us see. Let us take this example. How much lasagna will each person get if 3 friends decide to share half a pan of lasagna equally? Make diagram to find 1 over 2 divided 3. See, this is 1 over 2. Okay, this is 1 over 2. So it is 1 over 2. Remember, it is 1 over 2 divided by 3. How I use the model to represent this? See, the 1 over 2, we draw a 1 over 2 shape like this. You cut vertically, remember. This is 1 over 2. You shade as you land. This is 1 over 2. Okay, my dear students. Then divided 3, that means you have to cut horizontally. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so the number of floor here, it is the divisor. Okay, okay, and the number of vertical, it is the dividend. And the answer here, it is circled. Okay, it is 1. How many squares circled? 1. Out of how many parts we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 over 6. Okay, let us apply what we learn now. Okay, yes, let's go. Wait, let me hide this like. Now I will apply what I learned here. See, what division equation is represented by the diagram? He asked me to write the division, and any division equation consists of dividend, divide by, divisor, equal, quotient. Okay, give me quotient. The first number is dividend, and I know that the dividend is because the model, it is squares, it is a fraction. Remember that. And how I get it? How I get this? I just mark 1. Okay, mark the vertical part here. So how many colored here? See, 1, 2, 3. It is 3 out of what? Out of 4. Yes, the vertical line. See, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and see, it is colored 1, 2, 3 out of 4. So the dividend, it is 3 out of 4. What about the divisor? I said to you, the divisor, it is the horizontal. How many floors? See, this is the first floor and this is the second floor, so it is 2. The divisor is whole all of time, yes, so it is divided by 2. Now it is equal what? The quotient, and the quotient is, in this case, he circled what? See how many square he circled? He circled 3. 3 out of what? How many squares at all we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it is 3 over 8. Okay, my dear student. Good. Now let us solve number 4. He asked me about the divisor, and the divisor, it is a whole, yes, because the shape here, it is squares or rectangles. Now how I find it? It is easy. See how many floor I have? It is the whole 1. See how many floor? This is first floor, this is the second floor. See, it is better like this. This is the first floor, yes, this is the second floor, this is the third floor. So here we have 3. Okay, let us take another example with this one. What is the answer here? The quotient. Okay, the quotient, the teacher said, is what I have here. Yes, it is 3. 3 out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 14, 15. 3 out of 15, which is equal 1 over 5. 3 out of 15, yes. Okay. Okay, one example more. Yes, let's do. Let's see. Here. Here, he asked me about the quotient. The quotient is the easiest one. See. 1, 2. So it is 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which equal 1 over 3. Here. 3 over 5 divided 2. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3. 3 out of the whole parts. Count it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 out of 10. Here. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 over 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, see the answer. 5 over 12. Okay, see the answer. 3 over 10. Here, 3 over 10, this one. Okay, we learned about the squares, yes? Now let us solve the question that with the number line. Number line, whole divided fraction. Number line, whole divided fraction. And the other model, or the another model, it is fraction divided whole. Okay, let us start with this here. Here. He asked me about the quotient. Okay, see. The number here between 0 and 1, we take 1. 0 and 1. How many parts? See, 1, 2. Yes, so it is 1 over 2. Okay, the number down is 2. What's about the number up? The length of the jump, it is by 1. So 1 over 2. So the answer is 1 over 2. So again, let me do it again. between 0 and 1. Okay, how many parts? It is 1, 2 parts. The length of the jump, it is by 1. Each time he jump 1. How I know? See, from 0 to 1 he jump. 0 to, okay, okay, he jump by 1. See, there is no tick between, only 1. Now another example here. What is the answer? The answer, it is the number of circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Okay, okay. If you ask me about the dividend is from here. You get it from here. It is 2. If he asks me about the 2 over 5, see, I hide it and I see it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number is down is 5. Okay, and the jump, he jumped by 2. See, 1, 2, he jumped by 2. So it is 2 over 5. This is the divisor. Let us take more example. Here, what's about this one? Number here. It is 3. See, 3. The 3, from where we get it? From the length of the number line. We're done from the dividend. The divisor, sorry. The divisor, how I get it? Okay, how many parts between 0 and 1? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So down, the divisor, down, it is 5. What's about up? It is 1, 2, 3. He jumped by 3. So the divisor, it will be 3 over 5. And regarding to the quotient, see, from where we get it? We just count the circles. 2, 3, 4, 5. We count the circles, remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. So the answer here is 5. The quotient is the circles. What about this? Just count the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. See? Now here, let me hide the answer. Tell me how we can find the answer without calculation. Just count the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. How I find the divisor? The divisor here, it's the number 4 over 5. Okay, you figure out it is between 0 and 1, and 1 and 2 is divided into 5 parts, and the 4, it is the length of the jump, it is 4. And what's about the dividend? The number, the whole number, it is 4. Okay, see this number, we got it, or the divisor, the dividend, we get it all of time from here, the length of the number line. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you get all the benefit from this lesson. This is Muhammad Khair, and see you later, my dear student. Thank you.